Hey friends, have you heard how AI tools make it easier for people to make online money today? Yeah, it's true, and it's pretty amazing how technology has advanced to help us become more innovative and accessible. Let me tell you, these AI tools have been a complete game changer. Whether it's helping with manufacturing, visualization, data analysis, or automating routine tasks, it can be done better and faster with AI. And the best part is that some are free, and most do not cost much. So it's easy to get started and see if they're a good fit for your business. So if you want to learn about the tools that will increase your income and make you more productive and profitable online without any added stress, stick around and let's dive into these game-changing AI tools. And the first on my list is 10web.io. If you're probably hearing about 10web.io for the first time and wondering about what it does, well, this tool makes it extremely easy to create a professional, visually stunning website in practically no time with AI that automates much of the process for you. And if you're thinking about how this works, all you have to do is answer a few quick questions about your business, and bam! 10web's AI will generate tailored content and images for your site based on your answers. I'm telling you, it's fantastic! You can then easily customize the content and images however you want. And adding more pages is a breeze too. Before you know it, you'll have a complete, polished website that wows your audience. The other thing I love is that 10web has flexible pricing. A free plan with limited features allows you to try it risk-free. And the paid plans start at just $10 a month per site. So if you want to step up your web presence using AI's power, check out 10web.io. And next on my list, I've got a ChatGPT writer. This is an absolute game changer for creating content. I don't know about you, but I struggle with writing sometimes. Creating excellent copy takes me forever, whether blog posts, emails, or social media captions. And that's where ChatGPT Writer comes in. It's like having your own AI writing assistant. Just tell ChatGPT what you need to be written from blog posts, marketing copy, emails, you name it. And it generates fantastic, engaging content that captures your brand's voice. It takes so much work off your plate and helps you create content faster. And the best part is the writing sounds human, not robotic. Now, you can focus more on the creative strategy and planning, and let the AI handle the heavy writing lifting. OpenAI powers this tool, so usage fees are based on how much you use it. But it's been worth the investment. It saved me so much time and stress. The following tool on my list is Tidio, which can seriously help you upgrade your customer service game. Imagine having a chatbot with natural conversations with your customers and website peeps 24/7. I'm talking about friendly, personalized interactions that make people feel heard and supported. Pretty sweet, right? Tidio's AI chatbots can answer questions instantly, any time of day or night. They can also help drive conversions with automated yet warm conversations. Just like having your own always-on customer service rep. I don't know about you, but I'm all about working smarter, not harder. And Tidio lets you elevate customer experience on autopilot. They take customer service to the next level. With Tidio, you can customize chatbot personalities to match your brand's voice, so it feels like talking to an actual human, not a robot. Now that's some next-level stuff. When it comes to pricing, Tidio's got options for everyone. From free version to paid plans with just $18 a month, Tidio has a spot for everyone. If you're looking for a tool that's not only cool, but also helps your creativity by generating amazing graphics and visuals with just a few text prompts, none does it like Adobe's new Firefly. I'm telling you, this is the future of design. Instead of spending hours figuring out layouts, color schemes, etc., you can describe what you want in plain English, and Firefly makes it happen. You can use it to quickly mock up website pages, social posts, logos, you name it. This AI is scarily good at turning ideas into beautiful designs. Now the big question, how much does it cost? Adobe's pricing can vary depending on which tools you need. Many creatives use their Creative Cloud All Apps subscription to get access to Firefly along with all of Adobe's other programs. It's not cheap, but may be worth it if you use their tools a lot. There are also free trials available if you want to test it out. I recommend giving Firefly a spin if you haven't already. And next, I've got a way out for those tired of spending too much time on paperwork and documentation. It's called DocuAsk. Regarding document creation and analysis, this AI tool is making storms. It automatically takes care of so many tedious tasks for me. I do things like filling out forms, generating contracts, and aligning documents. I handle it without hassle. I also love how it reads and understands my documents across different languages. This allows me to quickly search, analyze, and compare my paperwork. It saves me tons of time. Regarding pricing, your best bet is to check out their website since it depends on your needs. But the time and efficiency I've gained have been well worth the investment. If you're tired of document headaches, do yourself a favor and let DocuAsk work its AI magic. And the next on my list is the perfect fit for my coding friends. It's called Copilot. You're missing out if you are a developer and have yet to try this tool. This tool is on a whole other level. And this is why Copilot is like having your AI pair programmer. It understands what you're trying to code and suggests complete lines and blocks of code for you in real time. It's fantastic as it helps you figure out elegant solutions to complex problems and write code faster. And thousands of developers are already using Copilot to ship products faster. It takes your programming to the next level with AI. Regarding pricing, Copilot is included with paid GitHub plans like Pro, Team, and Enterprise. The Pro plan starts at just $4 a month for individuals. Considering the time and efficiency gains, Copilot is worth the investment for developers. It makes coding feel effortless. If you want to improve your developer skills, try GitHub Copilot. And the last AI tool on my list is OpusClip. This tool is a beast if you're looking to seriously upgrade your video editing skills, as it uses artificial intelligence to automate parts of the editing process for you. I'm talking slick transitions, cool effects, and stylish text. It makes it all happen with just a few clicks. Now you can blend clips, add effects, and craft professional-looking shorts and social videos without spending hours editing. This tool is fantastic for telling compelling stories through video. When it comes to pricing, OpusClip has both free and paid options. The free version lets you try the basic editing features, while the paid plans start at just $12 a month for advanced creative tools. If you want to step up your video game seriously, OpusClip is a must. It's allowed folks to unlock creativity and quickly take their content to the next level. Highly recommend! And there you have it, my top picks for AI tools to help you make money online. These tools take the world by storm, from content creation to design, research, and automation. I hope you found this video helpful and got some new ideas for AI tools to implement in your workflow. Remember to start small and consistently use 1 or 2 new tools rather than overwhelming yourself. The key is finding tools that save you time on tedious tasks, so you can focus on the big picture strategy and creativity. That's how you'll see results. Let me know which AI tool sounds most valuable in the comments and how you plan to use it. And if you try any of these, I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks so much for watching. If you got value from this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with an entrepreneur friend who could use an AI boost. I'll see you in the following video. Keep crushing it and have a fantastic rest of your day.